Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can actually list your channels for sale, but I'm not gonna show you how to list your channels on eBay because you have like hundreds of tutorials on how to do that, and it's super easy. And most of you guys already know how to list products on eBay, so it's just join the eBay network. You will create an account on eBay. You will just list that. It's super simple. It's really easy. You can do that on your own, but I'm actually gonna explain you step by step how you can create an account on FameSwap and how you can list your channels for sale on the FameSwap, because FameSwap is gonna be the main place where you're gonna be selling your channels. So you will come over to fameswap.com. This is how it's gonna look like, and you will simply just click on this register button right here. You will create a username. So let's do like online hustle test. You will enter your email address right here. You will create a password. You will enter your phone number, address, and the country name. And if you don't want, for whatever reason, you don't want to enter your real phone number, your real address, and the real country you're coming from, you don't have to. But I highly recommend you I highly recommend you enter the real phone number, real address, and the real country. I think no one will ever see that. But if you're not comfortable of doing that, you can just come over to fakenamegenerator.com, and as you can see, it's gonna randomly generate you identity that you can use to create an account in FameSwap. So as you can see, I have a phone number right here. I will copy that. I will go over here. You can also select an address. So I will just, let me find the address. That's right. Let me find my address. So it's this one right here. I will copy my address, and he's from United States. Okay, and just click on this I'm not a robot and just register an account. Registration successful. We sent you an email message with a link to activate your account. You will just go over to your email. As you can see, I received the registration link. I'll just click on this. That will take me over to the next page where I'm just gonna log into my account. Let me do that real quick. Just click on I'm not a robot and just log into your account, and as you can see, this is how it's gonna look like once you log into your account. And now how to actually list your channel for sale is you will either click on this sell button right here or here on listings, and that will take you over to this page where you can either add new Instagram listing or add new YouTube listing. I'll obviously click on add new YouTube listing, and it's super simple. Enter a YouTube username. So you will either enter a username or channel ID, and that is, for example, I want to sell the online hustle channel. What I will do is just copy this. So this is the channel ID. So only this right here is the channel ID. So channel / and then you have the channel ID. This is the channel username. So you will just copy that and you will paste it over here. Just I'm not a robot and find. Oops, it seems that discount was already added. So okay, I was already trying this and I already listed my account for sale, so I can't do that. But I will actually search for some different channel. Let me find some different channel for sale. Let's say like this is my channel. Let's say this is my channel. Well, you will just copy the channel ID. You will go back right here. You will paste that over here. Click on I'm not a robot and just find your channel. And as you can see, it will find your channel automatically. As you can see, this is the channel, and you will just have to enter this code. You will have to go back to your channel. You will need to enter that in the about page. You will have to add that in a description. So you will just add that code, and you will just click on verify, and that way you will verify that the account is actually yours. That the channel is actually yours, and that way you will be able to list it for sale. And then you will just enter some basic, and by the way, you can then remove, after you click on this verify, you can then remove the code from your description. But what you want to do is actually provide as much value, not as much value, as much information as you can about your channel. You'll have a page like you will have a page to list your channel for sale, and then you will have to enter the channel name. You will then add a brief description about your channel. You will tell them like, hey, this channel was created like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, 5 days ago. It has this amount of subscribers, it has this amount of views, I have posted this amount of videos, it has no copyright claims, it has copyright claims, it's not monetized, it's monetized. Tell them a little bit more about your channel, and then just select the price. Set a price to, like, if your channel is around like if you have like 10,000 subscribers and it's not monetized, then I recommend you set it to like 1,000, or no, start with like $800 to $1,000. But if your channel is monetized and you have 10,000 subscribers, then go for like $2,000 or $2,500, and then just list that for sale, and people will start reaching you out. They will be sending you offers. Maybe if you list it for $1,000, some of them will ask you if they can buy it for like 800, 850, and depending on how much you actually invested, how much time and effort and money you actually invested in your channel, and if you're willing to sell it for lower than that price, then you will accept the price, and then you will start the process of selling that. You will start a process. They will pay you. You will send them the channel. You will send the email, the original email that you used to create that channel, and you will send them a password. You will give them the login details. They will send you the payment, and that's it. So that's how you can list your channels for sale on FameSwap. And if you want to list them on PlayerUp, it's again super simple stuff. I'm not gonna walk you through that. You'll just go over to PlayerUp. You will click on this login or sign up, and you will quickly create an account, enter your email address, enter your name, password, and all that stuff. Or you can just log in with Facebook, Twitter, Google, or Steam. So that's how you can actually list your channels for sale.